Once the child has worked with static division, they can move to dynamic division. So it is set up exactly in the same way, except that we are choosing a number that cannot be divided equally, so that we'll have to make exchanges. Okay. Right, I have a large quantity here, and I'm going to start counting it, okay? Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3. Let's count the tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. Okay. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 1,000, 1,000. Okay. So I have, let's read it together. 1,583. Okay. How much do you have?
0.
You have 0? You have nothing? That's okay. I can share with you. Okay? Okay. All right. So let's review the rules of division. The first one is we have to share equally, right? The second one is we start sharing from the largest quantity. And the third one is that our answer is found in the amount one unit receives. Okay? So let's start sharing equally, okay? All right. Oh no, I don't have enough thousands to share equally. What can we do, Sam? What can we do?
Exchange the thousands for 10 100s.
Oh, will you take that to the bank and do the exchange? And how much are you exchanging that for?
10 100s.
That's right. You can use the exchange tray to do that. Okay, how much did you bring us, Sam?
10 100s.
Okay, let's count them, okay? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. So you brought us 10 hundreds. Okay, I'm going to start sharing the hundreds, okay? Hopefully we have enough to share equally. But if not, we can exchange. So 100 for John, 1 for Sam, for Henry. Keep sharing. See, we're at 4 100s each. See if we can keep sharing. Now we had enough. We had enough hundreds to share equally. So let's start with our tens. I'm going to share those equally. 1 10 for each of you. 2 10s for each of you. Uh-oh. We have 2 10s left, and there's 3 of you. What can we do, Sam?
Exchange the 10s for 1s.
How many ones? Yes, that's right. Can you take that to the bank? And what are you going to exchange it for?
10 1s.
Okay. You can use the... Okay, what did you bring us, Sam?
10 ones.
Okay, put those there. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Oh, we still have another 10 that we can't share equally. What can we do?
Exchange it for
Yes.
ones.
Yes. How many ones?
10.
Yes. 10 ones. Okay. Hey, what did you bring us, Sam?
10 ones.
All right, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to start sharing our ones. And we'll see if we have enough to share equally. Start with 1 each, 2 each, 3 each, 4. Keep sharing. So you have 5 each, 6 each. Keep sharing. 7 each. Oh, I have 2 left. I can't share those equally. So we're just going to put those to the side. We call those a remainder. And sometimes in division, you have a leftover amount that you can't share equally, and we call that a remainder. So we just put that to the side. Right. Now that we've shared equally, you can take your quantities and go to the numeral cards, the small numeral cards, and get the numbers that match your quantity. So let's put them in your basket. Let's see what we did. I had, read with me, 1,583. John, can you hand me the cards on your tray? Thank you. Okay. And John, I shared with John 527. Okay. And Sam, can you hand me your cards? And I shared the same amount with Sam, 527. Okay, and Henry. And with Henry as well, I shared the same amount, 527. Okay, so I shared equally with all 3 of you. Okay, let's see how many shares we had, okay? 1 share,
2 shares,
2 shares, 3 shares. Okay. So, I started with 1,583. I shared equally with you 3, and you each received 527, and we had 2 as our remainder. So when we share equally, we're doing division.